Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add videos to your HubSpot content like emails, pages, and blog posts to make your marketing more engaging and professional. Let's walk through how to do it step by step. First, log into your HubSpot account. From the top menu, navigate to Marketing, then click Email. Next, open the email you want to edit by clicking its name. Inside the email editor, go to the left sidebar, find the video module, and simply drag and drop it into your email content area. Now, in the Video Type section, select HubSpot Video. To add a video, click Browse Videos, then choose an existing video from the Files tool. Select the video's thumbnail to insert it. If you want to resize the video, go back to the sidebar editor and enter your preferred width or height. To customize the video details, scroll to the Video Details section and click Edit. From here, you can change the thumbnail image. Click Change Thumbnail Image, then drag the slider to pick a frame from the video or upload a custom image from your computer. Once you're happy with the thumbnail, click Done. Then enter your file name, title, and a short description for your video and click Done again to save your changes. And that's it. This is how you add videos to your HubSpot content. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.